In a previous video, I have shown running multiple VAEs and comparing them. In this video, I'm going to check the TAESD and TAE1F, basically the tiny flux model, to see how much information is stored in each of its channels. As you can see, this is the real image. Focus on this part. And this is the latent. The TAESD itself reconstruction is not that great, as it can be seen here. Now I'm showing with TAE1F, tiny flux autoencoder version. As you can see, the reconstruction is much better than the SDXL version of this model. In this part, what I will do here is that I will set individual channels into 0 and only keep one channel's information. So the tiny SDXL version has 4 channels, the latent channels, and the flux version has 16 latent channels. So first I'm going to show with the tiny SDXL version. Whatever I put in this list will be set with those channels will be set to 0, and what I don't use there will retain its information. Here is the reconstruction from only the 0th channel. So the latent has the 0th channel has all the information and all other was set to 0. Now I'm going to do same for all the other ones, 0 to 3, all the 4 channels. Now I'll move into the flux 16 channel autoencoder. This has 16 latent channels. I have made this code to keep only one channel's information and set all other to 0. So I'm going to each of the 16 channels and keeping only one of them and setting the rest to 0. As it can be seen that all the 16 channels are showing. To me, it looks like the 1st, 6th, 9th, and 13th channel have the most of the information. In the next part, I will show what happens if I combine all these 4 channels into one. What will the reconstruction quality look like? So I'm keeping the 1st, 6th, 9th, and 13th channel. Now I have combined 4 of them into one. This is what it looks like. And this is the original. Now what I want to do is I want to combine more channels, the ones that can be that seem to have most information. So I'll combine 8 channels that looks to me have the most information. And after combining them, this is what it looks like.